Holy shit, it's running. It's only at 3,000 psi. That's what it says. It did jump up to 24 at one point. And that was after I unhooked an injector, which is number 5, I believe. We made it run. Awesome. We're gonna stop the truck right now. Back out of this. I just wanted to record this so I'd have it on footage. There goes the fuel pressure just dumping off. Oh boy. Pretty cool. I'm stoked. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited. Alright, guys. I think we solved the crisis of the Dodge not starting. We have injector failure. Which, whatever. At least we know we don't have a pump failure. Because it does create the fuel pressure we can see on the screen. So we just need to at least put some new injectors in it and go from there. I'll do a follow-up video when I get some fixing going on. But there's the diagnosis complete for the 04 Ram 2500 not starting. You can hear the injectors clicking away. And actually, if you unplug each of the plugs individually, you can hear them stop clicking. So that's another little simple test to kind of do, just to see if they're actually working or not. So, sweet, guys. Thanks for watching it all. Sharing, liking, all that jazz if it's helpful. Definitely been helpful to me to be able to reach out to other people and get the knowledge that I have. So, hell yeah, I'm stoked. We will continue on with another video on this truck once I get parts to fix it and actually make the fix and then retest. We'll see what happens. Later, guys.